At first, marriage feels like a shared story. You're building something new. You talk about everything, from dreams to dinner plans. But over time, many couples report an unexpected shift. Communication becomes transactional. Time together turns into time beside each other. The question isn't just what changed, but what stopped growing. Psychologists call this emotional drift, when partners slowly stop turning towards each other, not out of conflict, but through unchecked busyness, unspoken disappointments, and subtle emotional fatigue. And yet, what if the most dangerous marriages aren't the ones full of fights, but the ones filled with silence? And if so, what's the cause of ignoring connection for just one more season? If you're new here, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because we don't just talk about marriage, we uncover the truths that keep love alive when life gets loud. Let's be honest, no one walks into marriage expecting emotional distance. But for many, that distance doesn't show up as a drama. It shows up as a routine. This is what some therapists call parallel lives. You are operating in the same home, on the same team, but slowly growing emotionally apart. It starts subtly, fewer intentional conversations, more multitasking during dinner, shared space without shared presence. And over time, marriage can slip into what feels like a roommate agreement, coordinating tasks instead of cultivating closeness, talking logistics instead of dreams. But this isn't just about communication, it's about emotional safety, the deep belief that I can be fully myself without you and you still choose me. When that emotional safety fades, vulnerability becomes risky, and without vulnerability, intimacy withers. But the good news, this isn't irreversible. In fact, the comeback often starts with small shifts. Eye contact when asking real questions, moments of undivided time, even just 10 minutes a day, and most importantly, choosing curiosity over assumption. If your marriage feels like it's stuck in silent mode, you are not alone. You haven't failed, but something sacred may be asking to be restored. Because love doesn't disappear overnight, it dims in the absence of attention. Here is the quiet truth. Peace grows where pressure fades, and marriages begin to breathe again the moment we stop managing and start noticing. What part of this resonated with you most? Drop your thoughts below. We read everyone, and if this helped bring clarity to your relationship, be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs this today. Thank you for sticking around to this point. See you in the next episode.